And it is like you're saying, especially in this type of weather, it is hot out there.
Hot, Eric, and not changing tomorrow.
No, about the exact same on deck for tomorrow. We were talking about a really hot start to the month of August. We've talked last week about how the averages anyway, you know, that's just kind of the middle ground of extremes, but they're cooling off in August. We're generally on a cooling trend this time of year. Certainly not the case. Every day hotter than average so far. I think we've got a good chance of seeing the hottest first week of August on record. That's after we saw the coldest first week of January on record. So the hottest of the hot and the coldest of the cold all in one year. Out there right now, it's 94 in Lawrence, 92 in Orange, Boston sitting at 93 degrees, Taunton at 91. The dew points are up in the 70s in many locations, so you factor in the dew points with the temperature, and it feels like the mid to upper 90s all across the region. So just a hot summer night. We'll do it again tomorrow. Heat advisories are out region-wide, including Cape Cod. Heat index values as high as 104 tomorrow afternoon. Now, tonight, if you want to enjoy something, well, it's certainly not going to be chilly outside. You can check out the space station. It flies by at 8:34. Look to the northern sky first, and you can see it zipping on by under mainly clear skies. On a warm and humid night, we'll see temps holding up in the 70s all night long. We've seen a lot of nights like that through August 6th, this date. These are how many of the most 70-degree nights that we have seen in Boston. And this year right now is sitting at the third most through this date, 19 of them so far. So it has just been a really hot summer for us. We're watching a few storms tomorrow to kind of add some intrigue to the heat. So we start off with sunshine. It's going to get hot very quickly tomorrow. I'm not expecting any of this model showing some showers and storms popping up in the mid-afternoon. I think what we'll really be watching is the late afternoon and the evening. This line of storms likely to affect western Massachusetts. I think they'll probably survive into central Mass. Southwestern New Hampshire, you've got a risk of a strong storm blowing through in the evening as well. Then as we approach sunset, they'll fall apart. So right now I'm thinking the Boston area, North Shore, South Shore, Cape, and the islands. We won't see any of that stormy activity tomorrow evening. We'll keep an eye on the trends for you. Otherwise, the story is the heat, jumping quickly into the 80s in the morning after sunrise, into the 90s at midday and throughout the afternoon. The breeze is out of the southwest at 10 to 20, and we'll watch a few of those storms to the west as we head into the evening. So if you have any outdoor plans, expect that risk of a strong storm or some lightning. We're looking at temperatures well into the 90s. You won't even get much of any relief on the south coast or the Cape because we have that humidity and the air mass is just really hot. So we're well into the 80s tomorrow, even at the beaches of Cape Cod and the islands. Wednesday, 80s as well. Thursday, a chance for a couple of storms. So we're watching for the rest of this week. Wednesday, some afternoon pop-up thunderstorms look likely. Right now, not a lot of indication of severe weather, but a few of these storms during the peak heat of the afternoon. Thursday, a chance for a couple of pop-up storms as well, especially in the morning. And all the while, it stays really humid. Dew points are up there in the 70s for the next 2 days. We get a little bit of a break. It's nice to see at least some mid-60s dew points. It'll be muggy, but not as oppressive at the end of this week and into the weekend. I do think we're dry for the Patriots. Preseason opener against the Redskins. Temperatures in the 80s. It'll be very warm out there for the evening, and warm is the operative term. 6 to 10 day outlook. Looking farther off into next week, still looking warmer than average. We're on a streak that could be about 20 to maybe even more days in a row of hotter than average temperatures. So here's your full 7-day, and we're 90 plus for tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday's close to 90, a little less humid. This weekend, a chance for some showers and some cooler air with low 80s inland and 70s at the coast. It's weird to call that cool, but compared to this, it'll probably feel that way. Lisa?
Lovely. Eric, thank you.